So Ganesh garu, so this is the yarn. Our what we are doing in textile mill, from cotton we are making this yarn of a particular size. Okay, this is called count. What size? Okay, what does it mean? It means how many numbers of this yarn of 768 meters. If you put in a balance, it should give 453 grams.
Yeah.
Okay? Just like your
453 is standard.
just like your prawn culture.
Length is variable here.
మీరు ఎలా రొయ్యలు పెంచుతారో, like you come to the market for selling prawns. I am the buyer. I'll ask you, what is the count? You tell it is 10 count. Means 10 prawns will weigh 1 kg.
1 kg.
And that one I'll ask. You will tell it is 100 count. Means it is a small size. If you put 100 numbers, it will weigh 1 kg. Same thing. Same thing. If this yarn is very thick, it will, you need more numbers of 768 meters to make a pound. So there they made a pound as a standard for 1 kg. Because
standard length is variable.
Because it is the British system. British speak in pound. Textile, machinery, everything, the development, introduction, we are ruled by British. So we are making earlier this same yarn daga by our olden technologies. So technology was brought in with their scale. What is their scale? It is a pound. And this length is very long. Means kilometers of yarn. If you put only, it will weigh that weight because it is very light.
Very lightweight.
So to make when the number is high, you change the unit name. For example, if it is in mm, if it is a small, it is in mm.
Yes.
If it is little bit big, it is in centimeters.
Centimeter.
If it is more big, it is in meters. If it is very long, it is in kilometers. Similarly, this is talking about long length and a weight 453 grams. Okay. So this long length is called a hang. It is a unit of length. British system, 768 meters of length. They call it as a one hang. Or 840 yards. They call it as a hang. Why 840 yard is called a hang? You can search and tell me. Question me. So this yarn of required size is made from cotton. Means cotton is made as a straight line sliver first. Okay, a big size sliver, which is well mixed and size made constant. Means almost what we need a good quality of yarn. How you can make? So you are well mixing of uniform fibers. Okay, or well mixing of different type of fibers uniformly distributed. Okay, that all mixing, putting in a straight line, or putting in a straight line as a tube where you can carry. By themselves they should go. They are attached, they are put in a straight line, and it is called sliver, where they are doing it carding process. From carding process, all the cards are mixed in drawing, and the size is again made uniform. Okay, so the entry should be same. When the input is of same size, you will get output of same size with your ratio. That size of carded sliver, to make this yarn, you are having open end spinning where the RPM ratio is very high, means 1:1 lakh speed. So that size, you have to make this size, means you have to cut so many pieces. So that ratio. In open end spinning, with that RPMs you can get. But for even more fine counts, you have to have more ratio. So the coarser count means thick sizes, like this size and more than this size. They generally do in open end spinning, and quality wise, ring spinning are having more quality and demand. Okay, so till date they are not able to replace the ring spinning process. Okay. Babu, आप मलिंग